Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Lowe's home improvement and shopping app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Lowe's is a home improvement and retail shopping app designed to help users shop for tools, appliances, furniture, and renovation materials conveniently. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows you to browse products, check local store inventory, and place online orders for pickup, delivery, or shipping. It's also integrated with Lowe's loyalty program, helping users track purchases, view rewards, and access exclusive deals. The app's main feature is its easy product browsing and order management system. You can search by category or barcode, view detailed product specs and reviews, and save items to custom lists for later use. It also provides order tracking, curbside pickup scheduling, and digital receipts, making it a full-service tool for DIY enthusiasts and contractors alike. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its intuitive design, real-time inventory updates, and smooth order tracking. It simplifies large home projects by helping you plan, budget, and shop efficiently without needing to visit the store. Integration with Lowe's Pro services is also a plus for professionals who want account-based benefits and quick reordering options. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report slow app performance, checkout glitches, and issues with in-store pickup coordination. A few also mention occasional discrepancies between online and in-store inventory, which can cause confusion during urgent purchases. In summary, the Lowe's app may be worth using if you frequently shop for home improvement products and want convenient access to deals, delivery tracking, and rewards. However, if you prefer hands-on shopping or need flawless real-time accuracy for project planning, it might not fully replace the in-store experience. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.